So in the second exercise, we will add to our welcome page a new CSS style sheet, and we will display a new picture, logo.gif. And finally, we will create 3 new properties file, app_fr and app_en, and we will put into this file a new message called welcome, and we will display this message in our welcome page. So first we can have a look to the template page. So if we want to include a CSS style sheet, we can use the HTML style tag here, and you can use the import annotation, and for the URL we will use the expansion mechanism and the asset and context prefixes. So with the asset prefix, Tapestry, we will check if your resource exists. If it does not exist, Tapestry will throw an exception. The context prefix means that your resource is available in the web app of your application. So we can find the style file in the Exercice main web app. So here is the root of the web app. So then we have static and style.css. So our resource is there. Finally, we want to show a picture. So again, we will use a basic HTML tag for displaying an image. And then we will again use expansion mechanism and the asset and context prefixes to get the path to the resources. Finally, we will have to create 3 properties file, app_fr for the French users and app_en for the English user. And in each file we will add a new welcome message, so here in French or here in English. So this is done. In the app module file we will add a new constant, supported locals, that define the local that your application will support. So our application will support the English and French language. So we just have to use again the configuration object and just override the supported local constant. With its value will be a comma separated list of local. So that's fine. So the last thing we have to do is to display this message in our welcome page. So we will use the expansion mechanism again. We will use the message prefix. Tapestry, we will check in the available properties file a message called welcome. We can test our application by using JT. So we just run our command, run application. So we have to wait. So okay, our application is available. Safari, we can refresh the page. And we can see our picture and we can read our message coming from the French properties file. Okay, we can add to our URL the desired local. So for example, if we want the English application, we can add the en to our URL, then the page we want, so welcome, and automatically Tapestry will use the right property style. So okay, and we've got the English message.